God bless you, student. How are you all? Welcome to new class 9. This is your teacher Rahil Antli with lesson number 1, chemistry. Before starting this lesson, first we will see the learning objectives. Define chemistry, importance of chemistry, different branches of chemistry, and differentiate among branches of chemistry. Define chemistry. It is branch of science which deal with the composition, structure, properties and reaction of matter is called chemistry. It deals with every aspects of life. Like for example, chalk. The formula of chalk is calcium carbonate. Okay. Here we will discuss the structure. This is the structure of calcium carbonate. And this is appearance in white color. This is the physical property. Physical properties में क्या क्या आ जाता है? एक तो appearance, melting point, boiling point and others. And chemical reaction like a calcium oxide is react with water and convert into calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide is again react with carbon dioxide and convert into calcium carbonate. This is a reaction and the chemical properties of matter. Like a reaction of matter, what is a matter? Anything that have a mass and occupy space like solid, liquid and gas. Next, importance of chemistry. The applications of chemistry in our daily lives like petrochemical, product, medicine and drugs, soap, detergent, paper, plastic, paints, pigment, insecticide and pesticide. Now I will discuss here the branches of chemistry. The knowledge of chemistry is very vast, so for the further study in different branches of chemistry. First one is a physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry that will deal with the relationship between the composition and physical property of matter along with change in them. The properties of matter like matter, solid, liquid and gas, anything that have a mass and occupy space, this is called a matter. उन्होंने क्या कहा? The properties of matter along the change in them. For example, the ice in solid form and when the heat up, जैसे उसे हीट करेंगे उसे कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा इन लिक्विड लाइक वाटर. अगेन हीट अप तो वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? इन गैस वेपर्स. दिस इज changing, physically changing in them. Like the temperature effect. Here the study of the effect of temperature or radiation on matter are studied under this branch. तो ये किस चीज़ का effect मैंने आपको example बताई है? Temperature के effect. Next, organic chemistry. The study of covalent compound of carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. Like the study of covalent compound of which carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. This is called organic chemistry. And scope of this branch cover the petroleum, petrochemicals and pharmaceutical industries. Pharmaceutical industry like जहाँ medicines वगैरह बनती है. ठीक है. Next is में inorganic chemistry. It will deal with the study of all elements and their compound except those of hydrocarbon and their derivative. Hydrocarbon mean hydrogen and carbon element. ठीक है. Except hydrogen and carbon and their derivative. This is called the inorganic chemistry. And application इसकी क्या है? The application in every aspects of chemical industry such as glass, cement, ceramics and metallurgy. Next is biochemistry. The branch of chemistry in which we study the structure, composition and chemical reactions of substance found in living organism. It covers all chemical processes taking place in living organisms such as synthesis and metabolism of biochemical like carbohydrates, protein, fats, and the application of the biochemistries in the field of medicine, food science, and agriculture. Now I will discuss here the industrial chemistry and nuclear chemistry. The industrial chemistry, the study of manufacturing of chemical compound on commercial scale, is called industrial chemistry. For example, these chemicals provide the new raw material for many other industries such as fertilizer, soap, textile, agriculture, product, paints and paper, etc. Nuclear chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the radioactivity and nuclear processes and properties, and application in medical treatment, preservation of food and generation of electric power through nuclear reactor. ओके इसका हमने आगे और भी स्टडी करेंगे। तो अभी जस्ट आपको हमने ये बता रहे हैं कि व्हाट इज़ न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री, व्हाट इज़ इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री, इनकी डेफिनेशंस, स्कोप, एप्लीकेशन आपने अच्छी तरह करनी है, ठीक है बच्चों। नेक्स्ट इज environmental chemistry. It is branch of chemistry in which we study about the component of the environment and the effects of human activity on the environments. And for example, the environmental chemistry is related to other branches like biology, geology, ecology, soil and water. The knowledge of chemical processes taking place in environment is necessary for improvement, like this is the improvement and protection against the pollution. The analytical chemistry, it deal with the separation and analysis of the sample to identify its components. The separation is carried out prior to the qualitative and quantitative analysis. And here to show the qualitative and quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis provide the identity of the substance, the composition of chemical species. On the other hand, the quantitative analysis determine the amount of each component present in the sample. ओके इसमें डिफ्रेंशिएट भी आ सकते हैं, आपको पूछ सकते हैं व्हाट इज़ द क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस एंड व्हाट इज़ क्वांटिटेटिव एनालिसिस. And the scope of this branch, the analytical chemistry, the scope of this branch is, this branch cover the food, water and environmental chemistry analyze. This is the home task and this is almost a lesson. Okay student, if any confusion you can ask me, and God bless you. Allah Hafiz.